Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you eat spinach daily? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. Spinach, this humble leafy green, packs a serious nutritional punch. It's like a natural multivitamin, rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and calcium. Now, imagine feeding your body this powerhouse of nutrients every single day. The benefits are far-reaching, touching every corner of your well-being. From bolstering your immune system to enhancing your skin's health to even improving your mood, spinach truly is a green miracle. And that's just scratching the surface. This video will delve further into the specific effects of daily spinach intake on your body. We'll explore how it contributes to your digestive health, bone health, eye health, and heart health. So, buckle up, because the journey to better health could be as simple as incorporating more spinach into your diet. Prepare to be amazed at how this leafy green could transform your health. Spinach, a nutrient-packed superfood, offers a wealth of benefits. This humble leafy green, so often relegated to the side of your plate, is a powerhouse of nutrition. And today we're going to delve into the nutritional profile of spinach to understand exactly what makes it so super. Let's start with vitamins. Spinach is particularly high in vitamins A, C, and K. Vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision and boosting the immune system, is present in abundance in spinach. Then there's vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body's cells from damage. Spinach is also an excellent source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. But the vitamin goodness doesn't stop there. Spinach also contains folate, a B vitamin that's key for cell growth and metabolism. This makes spinach an excellent choice for those who are pregnant or planning to become pregnant, as folate is essential for the development of the fetus's neural tube. Now let's talk about minerals. Spinach is packed with iron, a mineral that's essential for carrying oxygen throughout the body and helping our muscles store and use that oxygen. It's also rich in calcium, which, as we all know, is crucial for strong, healthy bones. But it's not just about what's in spinach, it's also about what's not. Spinach is low in calories and fat, making it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. Plus, its high fiber content aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full, helping to curb those pesky snack cravings. And let's not forget about the phytonutrients found in spinach, compounds that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. These include flavonoids, carotenoids, and more, all working together to help protect your body from disease. In short, spinach is a nutritional jack-of-all-trades, packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and phytonutrients. It's a one-stop shop for a multitude of health benefits, all wrapped up in a tasty, versatile leaf. Now that you know what's in spinach, let's see what it does for you. A well-functioning digestive system is key to overall health, and spinach can help with that. So how does this vibrant leafy green do it? Well, the answer lies in its high fiber content. You see, fiber is a bit like the unsung hero of our digestive system. It adds bulk to our diet, which aids in the movement of food through the digestive tract, reducing the chances of constipation. This is particularly important as constipation can lead to various complications like hemorrhoids and anal fissures. Spinach is a great source of dietary fiber, with about 2.5 grams per 1 cup serving. Incorporating spinach into your meals, whether it's in a salad, a smoothie, or a side dish, can significantly boost your fiber intake. And don't forget, a healthy digestive system also means better nutrient absorption, which can have a ripple effect on your overall health. Not just that, spinach has more to offer for your health. Your skeleton will thank you for eating spinach daily. That's because spinach is rich in vitamin K, a crucial nutrient for maintaining bone health. You see, vitamin K acts as a modifier of bone matrix proteins. It improves calcium absorption and may reduce the amount of calcium that leaves the body in urine. So, what does this mean for your bones? Well, when your body has an adequate supply of vitamin K, it can more efficiently use the calcium you consume to strengthen and fortify your bones. This can potentially prevent conditions like osteoporosis and fractures, particularly as we age. But that's not all. Spinach is also a good source of dietary calcium, which is another key player in bone health. You might be surprised to learn that a cup of cooked spinach contains almost as much calcium as a cup of milk. But wait, there's more. Spinach has a significant effect on your eyes too. Spinach is a sight for sore eyes, literally. This leafy green is a powerhouse for eye health. It's packed with nutrients, particularly lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that play a crucial role in protecting your eyes. But how exactly do these antioxidants work? Picture this. Your eyes are constantly exposed to light. Over time, This light can cause damage, particularly to the macula, the part of the retina responsible for central vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin are found in high concentrations in the macula, where they act like a pair of sunglasses, absorbing harmful light and preventing damage. By incorporating spinach into your diet, you're essentially giving your eyes an extra layer of protection. Studies have shown that a diet rich in these two antioxidants can significantly reduce the risk of two common age-related eye conditions: macular degeneration and cataracts. Macular degeneration is a leading cause of vision loss, affecting millions of people worldwide. On the other hand, cataracts, which cause the lens of the eye to become cloudy, are the leading cause of blindness globally. But the goodness of spinach doesn't end there. It's also an excellent source of vitamin A, another essential nutrient for eye health. Vitamin A helps maintain the surface of the eye and is an integral component of rhodopsin, a protein in your eyes that allows you to see in low-light conditions. Deficiency in vitamin A can lead to a condition called night blindness, where it becomes difficult to see in low light. Consuming spinach, rich in vitamin A, can help keep your eyes healthy and your vision sharp, even as the sun goes down. So, whether it's warding off age-related macular degeneration, reducing the risk of cataracts, or ensuring you can see clearly at night, spinach has got your eyes covered. Adding spinach to your meals is a simple and delicious way to give your eyes the nutrients they need to stay healthy. So the next time you're planning your meals, remember to keep spinach on your shopping list. Now, let's move on to how spinach can help your heart. Your heart will love spinach just as much as your eyes do. Now, let's delve into the wonders of spinach for our heart's health. Spinach is rich in two key nutrients that play vital roles in maintaining heart health: potassium and folate. Let's start with potassium. This mighty mineral aids in the regulation of our heart's electrical activity, and it also helps to lower blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium in our bodies. Now let's turn our attention to folate. Folate is a type of B vitamin that's essential for the formation of red blood cells, but its role doesn't stop there. Folate also helps to prevent the buildup of an amino acid called homocysteine, which can damage our arteries and lead to heart disease when levels are too high. So you see, each leaf of spinach we consume contributes to a healthier, happier heart. As we wrap up, let's summarize what we've learned about eating spinach daily. So what happens to your body when you eat spinach daily? Well, let's take a quick spin through the key points we've covered in this video. Remember, spinach is more than just a leafy green, it's a nutritional powerhouse, and incorporating it into your daily diet can bring about a plethora of health benefits. Firstly, we talked about the incredible impact spinach can have on your digestive health. Packed with dietary fiber, spinach aids in digestion, prevents constipation, and maintains low blood sugar. It's like a mini detox for your digestive system, promoting a healthy gut and ensuring your body is absorbing all the nutrients it needs. Next, we delved into the world of bone health. Spinach is rich in vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health. It helps in the production of a protein called osteocalcin that is essential for maintaining the strength and density of our bones. So, it's like nature's own little construction worker, constantly building and fortifying your skeletal system. Then, we switched gears to focus on your eyes. Spinach, with its high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, acts as a natural sunblock for your eyes, protecting them from harmful light. Moreover, the vitamin A in spinach helps maintain healthy mucous membranes, essential for normal eyesight. It's like having your very own personal eye guard, shielding your eyes and keeping your vision sharp. And last, but certainly not least, we discussed the heart. Spinach is a heart-healthy food thanks to its high levels of nitrates, which can help manage blood pressure levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. It's akin to having a personal trainer for your heart, keeping it strong and healthy. In conclusion, incorporating spinach into your daily diet can offer a multitude of health benefits, from aiding digestion and bolstering bone health to protecting your eyes and maintaining a healthy heart. Spinach, it seems, is more than just a leafy green. It's a powerhouse of nutrition that can significantly boost your health.